Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for your wig, you're going to need a dome wig cap. Always look out for that in the market. I don't recommend the stocking cap because that one is too light. It is very light and it's not durable, but this dome wig cap is more durable. You can see the texture from the video and it is very strong. You can see the elastic that is around it, so this is more strong and more durable. So always use a dome wig cap for your wigs. So you just first of all start by wearing the dome wig cap on the dummy, and you just make sure that it is laid flat. There are no folds, so you adjust it until it is very flat and ready for sewing. So I'm going to use a hair I purchased from Jumia, and I'm going to start with the closure, and I'm using a 10-inch closure even though the hair is a 16-inch hair. So I would first of all sew my 10-inch closure, and my needle and thread is ready. And next I'm going to use my T-pins. So first of all, I like to secure my dome wig cap with the T-pins onto the dummy. Then next up, I'll start by sewing my lace closure onto the dome cap. So make sure you always put it in the center, and if you want it to be a side part, then you can still position it exactly where you want it to be. So you're going to need to pin your lace closure onto the dummy, and make sure you align it very well. You pull it to make sure that it is laid flat. If not, at the end of the wig, the closure won't sit well at all. So you make sure you always pull it very well and make sure that it is flat. There are no folds at all. Guys, this part is very important. You can see that I had to remove that pin and pull it again. So make sure you always lay your closure flat before you start sewing. And while sewing your lace closure, make sure it is close knitted so that you'll be sure that it stays secure and it will not pull out while you're brushing your wig afterwards. So always make it close knitted while sewing. So now I'm going to start sewing my hair. Like I said, I got this hair from Jumia. It is a silky straight human hair and it's 16 inches. It came in 4 bundles and I'm going to use all the bundles for the wig. So I'm going to start sewing it from the bottom, and the weft is doubled. I doubled the weft. It depends on how you want it to be. If you want, you can sew it single wefted, but I doubled mine until I got to the top where I now started sewing it single wefted. So just so that you are sure that your wig is straight and you know what you're doing, you can pin it with your T-pins and then start sewing so that it is very well aligned. So it is very simple. You just keep sewing line by line, line by line. So as you keep going, you can just flip your hair over and continue sewing. But if you're not very good at flipping the hair, you can just use your scissors to cut it and then place it on a new line and keep going. But I don't like cutting my hair for anything, so I just like to flip it and continue sewing that way. And so by the time I got to the top, I didn't double the weft again. It was single weft. So once you get to the top, you just sew it close to the closure. You don't necessarily need to join it together with the closure, but you just sew it in a way that there is no extra allowance just before the closure. So you just keep sewing until you get to the end. You can see how very close knitted I'm sewing it. So once you're done, you just cut the thread with your scissors and tie it into another knot just to secure it. And I'm done with this wig. So basically you're just going to moisturize the hair and brush it to lay it flat. Now I'm just going to let down the lace closure and brush the hair again. So guys, you can see how very beautiful this wig is. So I'll just brush it, and I've not even moisturized the hair. I just sprinkled little water on it, and you can see how it already looks beautiful. So guys, one last thing you're going to need to do is to remove the wig from the dummy, turn it over, and cut the dome wig cap exactly where the lace closure is, but avoiding where you sew the hair with a needle and thread, just as I'm doing here. Just like so, and that is it. You can see the difference. So basically, we've come to the end of today's video. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this wig making tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and you can leave your comments in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.